Morning hugs.
Is that a hug, or are you gonna try to keep him captive all day?
Bro.
When I try to get him off of me. You get down. You get down. Okay.
He wants a kiss. Aww.
Huh?
He's like, I'm gonna do what I want to do.
That was an intense fall.
Hi, puppies. Hi. Just go. Go on, press up.
Trying to.
Inhale in, have fun with this. Exhale, all the way down.
Nigga, stand up.
Look at my babies. Oh my god, you.